Hey, Eric Kamadi with the Nissan guys, and I'm here, Cheesy, with the brand new 2020 Nissan Titan. Now this is the Pro-X version, but some of the key changes on this, they basically changed the front end, they changed the rear end, all the sheet metal is the same. They upgraded the wheels, actually got better all-terrain tires, Philistine shocks. But one of the things in the front, if you'll come right over here to the front, the grille has changed, okay? So what they're gonna do is they're gonna have several different configurations of the grille. And if you see this, the Pro-4X actually has the Pro-4X there. They went with this Nissan kind of reddish orange look, but the whole bumper's painted. It's got really nice, and the sensors are there. But the biggest upgrade they did was they got LED running lights, daytime running lights, and LEDs for the headlights too. So big upgrade for Nissan. The engine is something they made a big upgrade. If you use premium gas, you'll get up to 400 horsepower and over 400 foot-pounds of torque. So big major upgrade there. But I like how they got the tow hooks. The skid plate is really neat. The front of this truck is real tall. Gives it a really nice look too as well. If you come back over the back, they actually upgraded, got their own branded step rails right here for the Nissan Titan. That's available as an option with the floor mats. Pro-4X still has intelligent key. Really nice. The fender flares and stuff are pretty much the same. But back here in the rear, if you'll notice there, right there, you got the Titan logo there, and really did a great upgrade on the grill or the back of the tailgate with this plate. Kind of reminds me of the Ford a little bit, the King Ranch, but it's got the T for the Titan, which is really cool, with the hitch on the back. Sensors still there. You got, you know, for your tow packages, you got both the 7-pin and the 4-pin connector. Also, you know, on this version, they put the step rail built into it, so you can get up into it. Tailgate is real easy. You can pretty much push it up with a finger. In the back, you know, the typical sprayed-in bed liner for us, and the Utilitrack system, which is really nice if you're hauling a motorcycle, lawnmower, stuff like that. Really good. But the upgrades and the lights and the tail lights have been huge for the Nissan Titan. And, you know, all LED lights on the outside. You know, most of the manufacturers are still putting standard bulbs in, but you're going to have LEDs in the bed and then on top of the cab too, just lighting this whole bed up. So if you're looking for a truck, and you're tired of looking like everybody else, the Nissan Titan is the truck. Cheesy's now in a little bit, he's going to go inside. We're going to show you the different upgrades that we're real excited about this truck and the new 2020 Titan. But they've done a really good job with this truck. The horsepower is best in its class. So we're really excited about that, and we would love for you to come by and test it out. But now we'll go in and kind of check the inside out, Cheesy.
This is Cheesy Rider, one of the Nissan guys. Well, Aaron was talking about the outside of the truck. I'm going to talk about a little bit on the inside. And we have got a brand new 9-inch screen, which is phenomenal. This one has a navigation. So you can set your navigation up where you can tell it where you want to go. You speak to it just like you do a person. And the navigation works very well. And it also has the heated steering wheel. We also have safety features on this truck, which is the first time that the truck has all the safety features like SUV or car. It has blind spot warnings. They're on the mirrors. We also have the brake assist, so it will stop you if the traffic starts slowing down. This also has, which is awesome, is the cruise control. It's got the intelligent cruise control right here, where you can set it at 2, 4, or 6 car lengths, which is another safety feature because you get fatigued and it'll slow you down and take care of you. Well, we also have this Pro-4X has got its own stitching. Look at this, it's got the orange in it. And Aaron was talking about the emblems that we have on the Nissan. Well, it's got a little orange. Well, this has a little bit of orange in it too. So it's setting itself apart from the other vehicles finally, which is awesome. Well, this Pro-4X has what they call pedestrian searching. It's always watching for people around you, like ball games and things like that. Kids are running around, and will help you with that feature. Another safety feature. It's also got the back door alert, just like the cars. So if you put something in, it will warn you that you have something in the back seat. So there are so many safety features on this. It is just phenomenal that a truck that we have, the Nissan, has really stepped up its game. This 90-inch screen we were talking about, it's got a camera. It has a 360 camera. So I'm going to turn this on right now, and you can see in front of us. So if you're pulling into the garage, I remember putting the old tennis ball up there so you don't run into it. But you got the feature of seeing how close you are to the other vehicles. So there's a lot of safety that way also. And when you're backing up, you put it in reverse, it is watching both ways with radar. And it will explain to tell you when a vehicle's coming at you. So there's a lot of great features on this truck, on this Pro-4X. This one's got a 4x4, shift on the fly, which is an awesome incentive, because a lot of times you're going down the road and you start hitting slick spots. You can go ahead and put it in four-wheel high. And it also, it has the electric brakes right here, Aaron. Right here is the electric brakes. Some people say, well, what do you need that for? If you have a trailer that has a lot of weight, it's got a braking system. And then this one, the different terrain, and you can set it to pull this specific trailer. You got heated seats with this. We also got the USB hookups. We have the new C charging system, which consists of it's 5 times faster charging, and data, Well, on our screen here, you got Apple Carplay. So if you got music or anything that you want to download to listen to, people use books. They're listening to books while they're traveling. Awesome thing that you can do. All you got to do is hook it up to your phone, and it also goes in there. This has the cruise control. It's got all the different. This one even has the electric hookup for in and out on your steering column. So there's a lot of extra features that Nissan has really stepped up on this truck. But we're going back to this 9-inch screen. Well, we also have XM radio. Look at this screen. It's so beautiful with the vibrant colors. You got XM radio. You also have your Bluetooth audio, which you can Bluetooth your cell phone to this, or your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. And you can hook up to this and watch everything on your screen, which is phenomenal. And it also has the audio where you can set it up for yourself, where you can have your USB hookups. So if you got downloaded books, it'll go right to it. It is simple to hook up, but this system, it's got a Fender stereo in it, Aaron. This is the first time we've had a few different versions of stereo systems, but we got the Fender. So they've stepped up on the sound systems, and so it's really going to make it nice in this truck, where you can listen to stuff and it's just like surround sound. So the Fender is a great brand. And then we have this right here. I'm going to show you, Aaron. You can put your phone right in here.
No way.
Yes, put it right in there.
Can you charge it without the cord getting all bashed up?
Well, it'll go right on in there. You can move this. You can do whatever you want. And the cord will come right on up, so you don't have to worry about that, which is phenomenal. You got cup holders, they can move. You can shift this anywhere you want to. And then we got this big old console in here. We also got 12-volt adapter in here. So this vehicle has more now than it's ever had in its whole life. So it's got some great features. We also have what they call Home Link. You can hook this up and you can open up your garage door opener with this. You can set it. It works very well. Takes a couple minutes to do it at home, and you're good. So you don't have to have all these different gadgets on your mirrors, which keep hanging them down. So this truck has got just about everything. This one's even got the power back window, you just put right here. And some of them, Aaron, are coming out with the Panoramic Moonroof. Well,
Wow.
this one doesn't have it, but there's some of them coming with it. So they are trying to step up the game to go after the competition, and I can see it. I mean, it's really going after them. And and with our 5-year, 100,000-mile bumper to bumper, still we got the best warranty on the market. There's nobody else. And with all these gadgets in here, wow, how awesome that is to have the warranty if anything goes wrong. Won't, but it could. And but we're the best in the market, and they're standing behind their product, which is great. Nissan is very, very good about that.
Well, Cheesy, let's go check out the rear.
Okay, well, let's go on. All right, well, we're back here in the back seat now. Aaron, I want you to check this. It's got cup holders, got the big old Titan emblem on it. It's got heated seats for the back.
Wow.
On a pickup truck. That is phenomenal. You got the 110 adapter here. You got a 12 volt. You got USB. You can hook up games. You can do anything you want to back here. But what is phenomenal about this, you can get back behind here, put some stuff behind it, and it goes up.
Oh, wow.
Wow. And you ought to see up underneath here, Aaron. This has got lays flat.
Wow.
Which is phenomenal. You can put one of those plastic containers on here, or you can take this, let me fold it over, and you can have stuff all the way across. So you can lock it. This has got just a lot of storage area and very good on carrying things, because it always sits in there wrong. But we also have our jack underneath here. So everything's under the seat, which is great, instead of the old way used to be under the hood where everything got destroyed. But these are tied down. You got little tie downs here, put your bags, stuff like that. And it comes down. And this is leather. Nice, nice. Even has this. We got cup holders. You only have 2 people back here, or there's room for the third. This has got a lot of room. As you know, Aaron, I'm a pretty good sized guy. And look at the room. There's plenty of room back here, which is phenomenal. Our cab is very, very big, so you can haul people. Some people put a lot of their tools in here, so they can lock it up. So this Titan has come a long way. We're very impressed with this truck. The 2020 is hit it out of the ballpark.
Easy, so you can see that this Titan has had major upgrades. We're real excited about the 2020 Nissan Titan. Pro-4X is kind of my favorite. You know, the other trim levels are coming. We actually got an XD Pro-4X gas burner truck that's got the extended bed in it, and it's got a lot more features. It's got the panoramic moonroof that Cheesy was talking about, and it also you know, has some of the row bars, and then you can put KC lights and stuff. And you know, Cheesy knows what I'm talking about KC lights. Some people might not know about it, but you know, with 400 horsepower, over 400 foot-pounds of torque, this truck is hitting the market running, and we're excited about it, and we hope you'll be excited too. Come by the Townsend Nissan here in Tuscaloosa, see Aaron Kamadi or Cheesy Rider. If you don't know who Cheesy Rider is, that's my father-in-law. He's on the camera right now. Say hi, Cheesy.
Hello.
And we're here to help you find your next new truck. So car, SUV, anything. But we're going to have more video on the Titan. That was kind of a summary of what's going on. We're going to get out there and test some of these features in the future. So hope you check out our YouTube channel, and for more information, check out our podcast too, the Nissan Guys podcast, where we talk about buying a car shouldn't be hard. So we'll talk to you guys later. Hope to see you soon.